Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sekhar'sLogicTricks. Today we are discussing multiplication trick with 5. Nothing but 48 into 5 is 5 is nothing but written as 10 by 2. In this we have two steps in this. While finding 48 into 5, 5 8 are 40, 4, 5 4 are 24. By doing general way, we get these like these many steps. But in this we have interesting trick with this video. Please watch full video to get the trick easy. Okay. First we have to find out 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. Any number divide by 2 is nothing but half of the number is 24. Then multiply with 10. Any number multiply with 10 is nothing but place 0. So 48 into 5 is nothing but 240. See, if by doing only single step, multiplication with 5 is tricky. Then divide by 2. This trick is for any number multiply by 5. Now let's move to the next two more examples. 688 into 5, nothing but half of this number 344 place 0. It is completed. See, by doing a single step, we are finding multiplication with 5. Okay, let's take another example. 8 4 8 6 8 into 5 is nothing but half of this number is 4 2 4 3 4 place 0. It is our like this. We are finding any number multiplication with 5. It is easy, but we have another interesting trick in is that is nothing but while multiply 689, first step is nothing but 689 by 2 is 3 4 4 half of the number dot 5. So any number, any odd number multiply with this, we get 3 4 4 5 is the answer. How it is, let us explain once more. See, 689 by 2 is 3 4 4. Remainder is 1. Any number we get a remainder is 1, then place 5. We don't get the remainder as 1 or 2. Any remainder we get place 5 is the answer. If there is no remainders, place 0 is the answer. See, 688 by 2 is nothing but 344. Okay, 688 into 5 is nothing but 344 0. So 344, there is no remainder, so place 0. We have two tricks in it. Let us explain another time. See, 48 is even number, so 48 into 5 is nothing but 240. 688 is even number, multiply 3440 is the answer. 49 is the even number, so 245 is the answer, because it is a, sorry, it is not even number, it is a odd number. Any odd number multiply with 5 ending with 5. Any even number multiply with 5 ending with 0. That is the another trick in this. Okay, that's all for today. If you interested, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Shaker Logic Tricks. Thank you.